For nearly a century, Hayward has impacted the lives of pool owners, builders, and servicers around the world by developing convenient, easy-to-use, energy-efficient products that make it easy to have fun and enjoy the health and wellness benefits of being in and around a pool.
Covering backyard pools to large commercial hotel pools, Hayward is proud to be the global leader in innovative pool and outdoor living technologies. Our worldwide manufacturing facilities distribute industry-leading products and pioneering automation tools that simplify and enhance pool ownership and management.
At Hayward, everything we do is guided by our mission to deliver exceptional products, outstanding service, and innovative technology to transform the experience of water.
Here at Hayward, we transform the way commercial and residential pool owners create and manage their water experience through convenient solutions that improve ambiance, efficiency, and comfort.
One way that our products help pool owners enjoy their pools more is the technology that the Omni platform offers to be able to control everything from your phone. Being able to change the shows of the lights, be able to turn your water features on.
With our Omni line of controllers, we strive to deliver unmatched convenience for our customers so that they can focus more on enjoying their pool rather than managing it.
Hayward is transforming pool care and operation in the same way smart home technology transformed the in-home ecosystem. Hayward's systems deliver effortless connected automation and control, providing greater flexibility when building and updating pool and outdoor lighting systems.
I think what Hayward does really well is allow the automation, being able to incorporate the lights to the sounds to your waterfalls, allow you to be able to enjoy the backyard experience. It's more than just a pool company. We've been able to develop a product that not only is good for our customers, but also is good for our environment.
Through automation, our OmniConnect technologies allow us to cut energy costs by up to 90%, chlorine usage by up to 50%, and water usage by up to 92%.
We're constantly revising and upgrading the product to give higher efficiency. A little less power, a little bit higher reliability, a little bit cleaner, using chemicals that are better for the environment and our processes.
We're conscious of our environment. We're also conscious of the product that we're putting out in the field.
We are incredibly proud of the innovations and advancements we have made in the space over our nearly 100-year history, allowing communities and people to enjoy their pools and improve their health and wellness with less worry about pool management.
My perfect day at the pool is just the sun shining, grill on. It's nice to be around family and friends, have that perfect day, and you got all the Hayward parts shining right in front of me.
Hayward is the best in the industry because of our technical service, our customer service, our people, and our product.
Hayward really prides itself on their quality and reliability and being a leader within the pool industry.
We really do everything we can to make sure that all of our customers get a safe, functional, reliable product.
Our focus on innovation relies on employing the most talented individuals in the industry, each with an unwavering promise to live up to our shared values.
I have been working for Hayward for 24 years. The product that we produce is a quality product. I feel so proud to say that I work for Hayward.
I'd have to say, honestly, the thing that sets Hayward apart from any other place is their attention to detail. When they pay close attention to detail, the smallest things, and making sure that everything is as good or as great as it can be, it just spreads to everything else in the workplace.
At Hayward, I take a lot of pride in my team. My team is amazing. They make my job very simple, very easy. They work well together. They work as one cohesive unit, so it's like one Hayward.
I've grown tremendously, actually. I came in as a temp, started at an operator 1, and now I'm currently an injection molding coordinator 2. And speaking from that transition, it's been nothing but a blessing to me, and it shows the growth that Hayward and I have put together.
I think here at Hayward, one of my main roles as leader is to drive vision and purpose, and instill in each and every employee we have the opportunity to see that their goals and objectives are met.
Growth at Hayward is one of our values. It is something that is extremely important to everyone here, our leaders across the board, as well as everyone that even works here on the floor. We feel like we want to provide everyone the opportunity to grow as a company and as an individual.
Our people make every one of our successes possible.
We build better. Hayward just builds better. They take pride in their quality, they take pride in all they do. Hayward just flat out says that, we build better.
Our vision to inspire happiness and well-being through safe, smart, and sustainable solutions will enable future generations of pool lovers to indulge in the unrivaled joy that is only felt in and around water.
There's nothing like a day at the pool, and there's no pool company like Hayward.
We are 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 Hayward. We are Hayward.
We are Hayward.
We are Hayward. We are Hayward.
We are Hayward.